Before you zip your bag and head out the door, let's build the perfect, no-stress travel kit. Think of this as your grab-and-go checklist you can reuse for every trip, whether it's a weekend city break or a month hopping across continents. Start with documents: passport or ID, visas if needed, and a backup of everything. Take clear photos of the photo page, visas and cards, and store them in a secure cloud folder you can access offline. Email a copy to yourself and share with a trusted contact at home. Add travel insurance details and emergency numbers, plus your itinerary and reservation codes. Keep a physical pen for forms and a small wallet for daily use, so your passport can stay tucked away most of the time. Money next. Carry a mix: a primary card, a backup card, and a little local cash for taxis and tips. Separate them in different places so one loss doesn't ruin your trip. Enable travel notifications on your cards. Set a spending alert and remember ATM fees can add up, so withdraw a sensible amount at once. Tech time. Your phone is your boarding pass, translator, camera, and map, so treat it like mission control. Pack a fast charger, a universal travel adapter, and a power bank big enough to fully recharge your phone at least once. Toss in spare cables and a tiny cable organizer so you are not fishing a knot out of your bag on a moving train. Consider an eSIM or local SIM for affordable data. Download offline maps, translation packs, and your important PDFs to your phone in case the signal disappears. Bring lightweight earbuds for long rides and a small Bluetooth tracker for your keys or luggage for that extra peace of mind. Health and comfort are what make or break a trip. A tiny first aid kit with bandages, blister patches, pain relief, motion sickness tablets, antihistamines, and a few rehydration salts covers most situations. If you take prescriptions, carry enough for the whole trip, plus a couple of extra days, and keep them in original packaging with the prescription label. Add sunscreen, lip balm, and insect repellent if you'll be outdoors. Hand sanitizer, a few disinfecting wipes, and a couple of tissues live in an easy-reach pocket. If you're sensitive to sleep changes, pack an eye mask and foam earplugs. They weigh almost nothing and can turn a noisy hostel or bright plane into a private nap pod. Clothes are where most of us overpack. Focus on versatile, quick-dry layers that mix and match. A light rain shell or compact poncho earns its spot even in sunny forecasts, and a neutral scarf or buff can be a blanket, pillow, head cover, or fashion fix. Prioritize comfortable walking shoes. Your feet will thank you more than any fancy outfit ever will. If you'll work out or hike, bring one set that doubles as sleepwear. The secret weapon is packing cubes. One for tops, one for bottoms, one for underwear and socks. You'll unpack and repack in seconds and always know where things live. Toiletries work best as minis. Refill small bottles with the products you actually use at home. A solid bar of shampoo or soap dodges liquid limits and leaks. Add a toothbrush cap, travel toothpaste, a small comb or brush, deodorant, and a tiny container of your favorite moisturizer. A microfiber towel is optional, but brilliant for hostels, beaches, and surprise swims. A nail clipper, tweezers, and a few cotton swabs solve more problems than you'd think. Remember, liquid rules for carry-ons usually cap items at 100 milliliters each, so pack smart if you're skipping checked bags. Organization keeps the trip smooth. A slim daypack or foldable tote becomes your daily carry for water, camera, and snacks. Use a waterproof pouch or simple zip bags for anything that could leak or get wet, like toiletries and swimwear. Another couple of zip bags can corral receipts, tickets, and souvenir odds and ends you collect along the way. A lightweight carabiner lives on your bag to clip a hat or water bottle when your hands are full. A tiny roll of tape and a few safety pins can rescue broken straps, ripped hems, and torn labels until you get home. Hydration and snacks are your energy insurance. Bring a reusable water bottle so you are not hunting for a shop or paying airport prices every few hours. If you're traveling where tap water is questionable, consider a small filter bottle or purification tablets. For long transport days, pack a handful of high-protein snacks, some fruit if you can, and gum to help with ear pressure on flights. Your future self sprinting through a connection will be very grateful. Security isn't about paranoia. It's about simple habits. Keep your bag zipped and wear it in front on crowded transport. Use small luggage locks to keep curious hands out in hostels or overhead bins. A slim hidden pouch for a spare card and emergency cash can live inside your main bag. If you carry a camera, Use a strap that doesn't scream expensive. At check-in desks or ticket counters, set your bag looped around your foot or chair leg so no one can walk off with it while you look at your phone. Entertainment and downtime matter too. Load a playlist, download a couple of podcasts or audiobooks, and stash one lightweight read or a travel journal. A tiny notebook is perfect for names of dishes you loved, directions sketched by a friendly local, and quick budget notes. Offline entertainment shines when your battery is low or you're in airplane mode for hours. Tailor the kit to your trip. City weekend, dressier top, comfortable shoes, transit card holder, beach escape, reef-safe sunscreen, quick dry towel, hat, mountain trails, layers, headlamp, blister care, and a small dry bag. Cold weather, thermal base layers, gloves, a beanie, and lip balm you'll actually remember to reapply. Hot and humid? Breathable fabrics, extra socks, and talc or anti-chafe balm. Traveling with kids? Add snacks, wipes, a favorite small toy, and an outfit change for everyone. Let's talk bags. A carry-on friendly suitcase or a 30 to 40 liter backpack will cover most trips if you commit to essentials. Put heavy items in the middle close to your spine if you're carrying a backpack. Use outside pockets for things you need during the journey. Passport, phone, sanitizer, tissues, a pen, earbuds, and a snack. Keep liquids and electronics easy to reach for security checks. Before you leave, do a final weight test. Pick up the bag and walk around your home for a minute. If it feels annoying now, it'll feel worse at the 11th hour on a cobblestone street. Here's a fast mental run-through before the door clicks shut. Documents and copies, cards and cash, phone, adapter, power bank, meds and first aid, layers and comfy shoes, toiletries under the liquid limit, water bottle and snacks, locks, tracker, and a simple security plan. Entertainment downloaded and maps offline. If you can answer yes, you're set. One extra mindset shift. You can buy almost anything you forget. Essentials are about reducing friction and protecting the non-negotiables, your identity, your health, your ability to navigate, and your comfort on the move. Keep your kit light and repeatable, and packing goes from stressful to automatic. If this breakdown helped you, tap like, drop your favorite must-carry item in the comments so we can learn from each other, and hit subscribe with the bell so you never miss a simple, stress-free travel guide. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.